We are going to look how we can set a default value for a particular key in a dictionary. Actually, if you define a dictionary like this, here I am defining a dictionary which has two keys presently, age and name. So presently it has two keys. So if I try to print the particular key, for example, I'm trying to print the age. As expected, we will get the output as 23. Suppose I try to print a key which is presently does not exist in this dictionary, we will probably get an error because this is the default behavior of Python. So this is expected error. So we have another option in the collections module. So if we want to set a particular default value for the non-existent keys, we can use that. For that we can import the collections module and we can pass through this collections method. So if I pass through this method default dict as a function which will return the actual default value for a particular key. So here I am defining a particular function named default value. So this will return a particular default value for the dictionary. So here I am just simply returning a default value, and to this function, this collections.default dict, I am passing this default value as the parameter, and the second parameter I am passing my original dictionary. Here we are passing this my dict as the original dictionary, and if I try to print this new dictionary, with a non-existent key, here this HU is a non-existent key in the dictionary, and if we try to execute this code, we will get the default value. Even though this key does not exist in this dictionary, it is giving a default value from this function. So in this way we can avoid the error which happens due to the non-existent key in the dictionary. So if we try to print the key which actually exists in the dictionary, we will get the actual value as expected. Also we can customize the non-existent key like this. So hope the concept is clear now. So that's for this video.